So we're going to the sushi restaurant tonight. We're gonna go to the Chris Kendall Market. This is our treat.
We should stand up and eat. I just got off work in a bad mood. So Gerald said he'll take me on a date. And we picked this outfit. I have my Doc Marten Chelsea boots, which I love. I got them at Nordstrom Rack. I have gray tights, a plaid skirt, this like ruffle blouse from Zara. And I have on my little necklace that looks like an antidepressant pill.
Go stand by your tree.
And then this is my grandma's black jacket. I got my hair colored the other day, so it's curled. And I was just feeling festive. I put like glitter under my eyes. And I got a comment the other day from one of you guys, and at first I was like really upset and I deleted it, and like I don't know why I was like so hurt, but somebody said that my makeup doesn't match my skin tone and it's too pale. So I decided to try to like, I used to contour my face and then I stopped. So I tried like contouring, thinking I could maybe add a little color and like, I don't know, do my makeup a little better, because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm not a beauty channel. I don't claim to know a lot about makeup. So I'm honestly just doing the best I can, but hopefully this is a little better. Yeah, we're gonna go to our favorite sushi restaurant and then hopefully do a couple fun holiday things before the night's over. So this is our favorite sushi restaurant. The sushis come by on a conveyor belt. And I have a spicy shrimp roll. This is Philadelphia roll. Gerald also has a Philadelphia roll. And this one is our favorite. It has this like bruleed spicy mayo or something on top. On the inside it has avocado and like, I don't even know, what is that? Spicy tuna? And then onions on top, and then on top there's the shrimp. Under that sauce, it is so good. We always get like 3 of these. It's amazing. Gerald does soy sauce and wasabi. I just eat mine plain, but it's so fun because you just grab them as they go by, and it's like a different price for every color plate. This is like, we go here like once a week, honestly. We love it.
Which one did you have?
That's the Philadelphia. Philadelphia is one of my favorite sushi. There's like smoked salmon, cream cheese, and usually avocado.
Is there anything you want to get off your chest right now?
No. I think I already said my piece. It was a long day at work. I work in like the service industry. People are just, they can be unhappy and rude. Like I get it sometimes, but you know, I'm not meant to deal with so much bad vibes. But now I'm eating sushi, so it doesn't matter. That star all the way in the distance is where we took our Christmas card picture. Yeah, that star, you can see it. That's where we took our Christmas card picture. We'll show you later. We'll show you our Christmas card. This is our second year having our own Christmas card. 2 years ago, I was so upset that we couldn't send a Christmas card because we took all these really nice pictures, but we didn't live together yet. So my mom was like, no, it's not appropriate to send a Christmas card if you don't even live together. So then the next year we lived together, we were engaged, and we could finally send our first one. And then this year was our second Christmas card, and next year will be our first married Christmas. Woo! So excited. I grew up in this town, but all of this is new. They put this like big, huge like hotel. And I always think about how like if you dropped me in the middle of like the street where the hotel is, like if you just like, if I was like blindfolded and you just dropped me there, I don't think I'd know where I was. Like this whole thing has like changed the entirety of like the downtown Naperville area. Like so much, and it's so like weird. It looks.
That's the Walgreens that everybody hung out at.
Yeah. Back when we were young, everyone would go to that Walgreens. We'd buy Monster, energy drinks. Long time ago. Should we go left or should we go straight?
We should go straight.
The hot chocolate line. Oh my god.
It's a lot.
We
It's
have hot chocolate at home.
it's like $11 if you wanted one with the souvenir.
Oh, I guess for a mug, $11 is pretty cheap if you're like getting a mug for it. Busy, but it's not as busy as when we tried to come last year, remember?
Yeah, I'm telling you, they like expanded it.
Yeah, they must have. Those guys were hedgehogs, but I don't think they are. I'm on a mission to get a hedgehog, like we did last time.
I'm sure you'll find one.
What a beautiful tree, it's so big. I like him.
It's already creepy, right? Wait until you see what's on the back. That is a penny on his butt crack. Yeah, that's glued in there.
That's wild.
I don't know.
There's all these like beautiful ones, and there's that.
What'd you get?
This is s'mores cookie dough, and underneath is like peppermint bark ice cream. And this is like no eggs, like you're meant to eat it just like this. This is an ice cream place that also has edible cookie dough. And this is s'mores flavor. Should we try it?
Try it. This is a combination I would personally not do myself.
Kind of a weird combination, but it's so cool.
I get home and it's dinner and then once after dinner time, then it's bedtime right after.
I always get weird combinations here.
Yeah, you do. I did not approve of this combination.
It's good though. So we are home from our little date and we had a really fun time. We didn't end up getting anything at the Christmas market. They have a lot of really pretty ornaments, but a lot of them are like almost $20 for just one. So we didn't see any that we like loved, or else maybe we would have. And like the line for hot chocolate and stuff was so long, and there weren't really any like desserts that looked interesting, so we ended up going to this like ice cream store that has cookie dough. So we showed you guys what we got. I was hoping they'd have gingerbread cookie dough because I've been like loving gingerbread this year. I am about to change out of my festive outfit and I don't know what we'll do the rest of the night, but I wanted to show you guys our Christmas tree in our bedroom. It is new this year. It has like snow on it. It's like flocked. And we put mostly gold ornaments. And then there are some that are like this where it looks like a pine cone with snow. And then my mom got me this little bird. And then there's just some glitter ones and some gold ones. And then there's like a battery pack for the lights. It's like the little, I think they're called rice lights. Because they're just these little tiny little bulbs. It's not like regular Christmas lights. But it's so nice to have a Christmas tree in your bedroom. It's so like relaxing and calming and peaceful. I really love it. Oh, and I wanted to show you our Christmas card. This is our Christmas card for this year. See, that's the star lights that we showed you guys earlier. It says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas, love, Gerald and Dana." And then on the back, we put this picture where we were in Disney World on Main Street. And we're sitting in Main Street and there's the castle. I think we vlogged when we took that, didn't we?
I think so.
And then this is our last Christmas before we are Mr. and Mrs. Cute little polka dots. We got them from Shutterfly again this year. But yeah, I love having a Christmas card together. I feel like we waited so long to have one, so I'm really grateful that we can do that now. And for the rest of our lives, babe. We're gonna have a Christmas card every year. Maybe someday it'll have like a dog on it, or maybe someday it'll have like kids in it. We showed you earlier our Christmas tree, but just a little more in depth. We have these kids from Nightmare Before Christmas, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. And then we have Little Zero hiding out over here. We have an Aristocats ornament. This is from when I worked at David's Tea, 2016. I want to get one from my work this year that says the year, but I haven't been able to find one yet. We have a cupcake, more of those Nightmare Before Christmas kits, the mayor, Alien from Toy Story, another cupcake, Heimlich from Bug's Life, Boogie Boogie. And then we have Mickey and Minnie as Jack and Sally. Oh, and then Robin Hood and Maid Marian getting married. And Scrump. And then this is our hedgehog. They had him at the Christmas market again. I would have liked to get like another hedgehog, but I would have wanted like something a little different. And then we have cherry blossoms to remind us of my pup, who I wish was here. He loved this Christmas tree. And then on top I just put like a Santa hat this year. Oh, and then look at this. My dad came over and set up like some outdoor decorations for us. So it's kind of difficult because every time we want to plug it in, we like can't close our door all the way. But take a look. There are some rainbow lights, and then this is a carousel. But yeah, my dad set up this big carousel on our balcony. Sounds like the neighbors are out. Yeah, so these are Christmas decorations for all the neighborhood to enjoy. We have some string lights. And yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on our little date. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.